Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video we're going to talk about 3 photography tips for beginners, and I also got some gear with me what I want to show you, and yeah, let's begin. So my first tip for you is to really use your iPhone when you're a beginner, or any camera you got, because when I started photography I didn't have any camera. When I started my Instagram account, I was like, I don't have camera, but how can I start? So I started using my own phone, and yeah, I was pretty lucky enough to get to know the camera, how to shoot from different angles, and it also saves you a lot of money, because if you buy yourself a camera, you have high expectations, and if you're not able to use it, you get disappointed. So it's always better to start with a phone and then keep going. Another tip I got for you is, my second tip is to, when you're out on a shoot, is to use plenty of SD cards, or basically to bring some SD cards with you, because you never know, maybe your SD card breaks or you lose it. So what I do is I have one SD card with me for the camera, and I also have 2 spare SD cards with me, so I'm secure, because there's nothing more disappointing to have no SD cards with you. So I have this in my box, and I usually just put it in the front of my bag, so it's secure and you can zip it. And my third tip for you is to really put yourself out there and collaborate with other photographers, with models, ask people to shoot. Also be able to shoot for free, because the only way you can learn about photography or how to make great pictures is to really do it. Put yourself out there, shoot as much as you can, always have your camera, your phone with you, because that's the only way you can really learn. And there's also saying learning by doing. And another tip I got is, text people on Instagram. Just ask other photographers, hey, I'm new in photography, do you have some tips? Do you want to meet up, shoot some videos or some pictures, anything, just collaborate, because it's all about connections. And yeah, so that's another tip I got for you. And these were all my 3 tips, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. There will be more photography videos coming soon, and yeah, you take care and see you next time. Bye!